What would you say are the biggest challenges in Arlington that you face that you may not face in Alexandria or Prince William or even DC, Montgomery?
I think the closer that you get to the epicenter of the metropolitan area, the more arduous the permit process is. The requirements in what costs money and time. The requirements in Arlington and the city of Alexandria is much different than the requirements of Fairfax. You get out to Fauquier County or Prince William County, you can walk. I did it for a veteran, so I was doing it for a charity project, so I had a little bit of sympathy from the building department, but I walked through a full house, soup to nuts in Haymarket in like less than a month. That is a 3-4 month at least plan here in Arlington. And we didn't really talk about stormwater management. Stormwater management requirements for new construction when you disturb more than 2,500 square feet is a lot more arduous as you get closer to town.
And they want the money on the permits.
Yeah, and people charge differently on the permits too. So you get, in Arlington County, they charge all your street cuts and your fixture fees and all that stuff is wrapped into one permit cost. In like the town of Vienna, you pay your permit costs are less, but then you have to pay a contractor to do the street cuts and the water taps and those sort of things. So
it ends up the same. So.
In some ways it ends up the same.